Getting a personal loan through Credit Karma is a straightforward process that can provide you with the funds you need to achieve your financial goals. To start, you need to have a Credit Karma account, which is free and easy to create. Once you have an account, follow these steps to apply for a personal loan. First, log into your Credit Karma account and navigate to the Loans section. Here, you can view personalized loan offers from various lenders, including the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment terms. Review these offers carefully and choose the one that best fits your needs. Next, click on the Apply Now button for your chosen loan offer. You will be redirected to the lender's website, where you will need to provide some additional information, such as your income, employment history, and social security number. Be sure to review the loan terms and conditions carefully before submitting your application. After submitting your application, the lender will review your creditworthiness and may request additional documentation, such as pay stubs or bank statements. If your application is approved, you can expect to receive the loan funds within a few business days. It is essential to note that Credit Karma does not directly lend money, but instead partners with various lenders to provide you with personalized loan offers. This means that the interest rates and repayment terms may vary depending on the lender and your credit profile. To increase your chances of getting approved for a personal loan through Credit Karma, make sure to have a good credit score, a stable income, and a low debt-to-income ratio. You should also review your credit report regularly to ensure it is accurate and up-to-date. In conclusion, getting a personal loan through Credit Karma is a simple and convenient process that can provide you with the funds you need to achieve your financial goals. By following these steps and maintaining good credit habits, you can increase your chances of getting approved for a personal loan and achieve financial stability.